Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to deactivate Instagram account. If you're using Instagram account and you want to deactivate your account on your iPhone or any Android, so you just have to open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap on three dots in the top right corner. And here you just have to select account center, select personal details, then select account ownership and control, select deactivation or deletion. And here select your Instagram account and you'll get two different options. The first is that you have to deactivate your account and the second is that you have to delete your account. But I'm going to deactivate my account, so simply select deactivate account option, then select continue from here, and here you just have to enter your password. So you have to enter your Instagram account password, or if you can't remind or you had forgotten, so you just have to select forgotten password and then recover your password. Here you have to enter your Instagram account password and then your account will be deactivated. So in this way you can easily deactivate your Instagram account on both your iPhone or Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.